What's going on, guys? This is Tyler from Showtime, coming to you from the main shop floor. Today we've got Jared's Audi in here. He's a good customer of ours, a repeat customer. He's had some unfortunate situations with his Audi. But we're going to be rebuilding this thing, and it's going to be the first episode to our rebuild series in the shop. So we're going to take you guys along for the ride. Episode, our main technician John Berryman is going to be tearing this vehicle down or disassembling it completely 100% so we can identify every broken part and get them ordered up from the dealer. Alright, John's got this thing all disassembled here, and we've identified all the damage. John, as far as you can see and you can tell right now, is it structural damage? Is it cosmetic damage? What are we looking at here? What are we working with?
Mostly cosmetic, nothing structural. All just bent hood, fender, didn't get into the door or anything like that. We're going to blend out the door, blend out the other fender. Pretty much just all cosmetic stuff here.
Yeah.
Bumper,
You can
headlights,
see.
glitter, all that.
And what's this pile of parts? What's the point of that pile of parts there?
This is all the broken stuff that I need.
Okay.
All the actual good parts are still over there. Keep everything separate, make sure we get everything we need.
Okay. So the next step here, we're going to move into the blueprinting process and writing a real thorough estimate on this so we can get all the parts ordered up first, right?
Yep.
And doesn't look like it's going to have to go on a frame rack. None of the upper rails have been affected or anything like that. So I'm going to roll on. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for today's episode in our first rebuild series on Jared's 2015 Audi A4. I know this video is short and the content is pretty direct and to the point. We're still getting the hang of this whole video creation thing, and we would really appreciate it if you guys would subscribe to our YouTube channel, like these videos, comment on the videos, let us know what we can do better or what you want to see, because we love what we do every day and that we feel there's so much value that we can provide and things that we can show you guys out there. We just want to know what you feel like you want to see, and we can put that content out there. This is what we do on a daily basis. So we appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you next time.